Choosing the right crypto trading bot can be the difference between automated success and automated losses, so let's dive into a head-to-head comparison: Cornix versus 3Commas. First up, let's explore their key features. Cornix excels in copy trading and signal automation, allowing you to automatically execute trades based on signals from experienced traders. Notice the user-friendly interface designed specifically for this purpose. 3Commas, on the other hand, offers a broader range of tools, including DCA bots, grid bots, and options trading. Look at the advanced charting and analytical tools available directly within the platform. Now, let's talk automation. Cornix shines with its advanced signal filtering and risk management options, ensuring you only follow signals that align with your risk profile. Observe how you can customize stop-loss and take-profit levels based on signal provider recommendations. 3Commas boasts powerful DCA bots that automatically buy or sell based on price movements, plus customizable trading strategies. Notice the backtesting feature to see how different strategies would perform historically. So, which bot is right for you? Cornix is ideal if you're focused on copy trading and want a seamless integration with signal providers. 3Commas is a strong choice if you want more bot variety, advanced trading tools, and customizable trading strategies. Ultimately, the best bot depends on your trading style and experience level. Do your research and test both platforms to see which one best suits your needs. Good luck.